Hello, I am going to walk you through making adjustments on your button in your page flips. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your Simplebooklet account and head over to the document you want to work on. And once you've located that document, go ahead and press Configure Presentation. That's represented as the Painter's palette right at the bottom here. You can go ahead and click that. And then the next step is to go to Page Flip, which is just in the left-hand menu over here, and it's represented as a book. And then from Page Flip, you're going to go ahead and locate Page Flip button. So as you can see, my Page Flip button is previewed over here. I have it quite large and obvious right now. It's got the black teardrop shape with the white arrow. And if you want to toggle that on and off, you can. So if you don't need that for whatever reason, but any adjustments or edits you want to make, you can go to the pencil icon. And from there, you will have your choices. So the first choice is what kind of icon you would like. There are several arrows to choose between. The chevron also, I think, looks quite elegant. You can choose a finger or this outline arrow, just whichever one suits your needs. And then the next option here is the space around the arrow. So I have a teardrop shape right now, as you can see in the background here. You can get an idea, a sense of what it will look like, but you can choose a circle, a square, or no shape, or a tab is also quite good. Let's choose a tab, and then here you can choose whether or not you want a white arrow on black or a black arrow on white. So that will really have a lot to do with the color you pick for the backdrop of your Simplebooklet. And then the next tab will show you whether or not you want the icon at the top, middle, or bottom. Let's go back to the middle. I think that looks good. And then you can choose between the size. So small, medium, or large. I have large right now, but that's a medium, and then small is that one there. Let's go back to large. And then the final tab is choosing the opacity. So right now I have 100%, but if you want something a bit lighter or visually less heavy, you can choose the 25% or any of the options in between. And then once you've made your choices, go ahead and press done. And there we go. That's your adjusted page flip button.